Let me show you the fastest way to delete Airtable bases, so you can clean up your workspace without losing anything important. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to Airtable. You'll need to click Login if you aren't already signed in. And once you're in, you'll land on your main Airtable workspace. This is where all your bases live, displayed as cards on the dashboard. Take a moment to locate the base you want to delete. Just scroll or search for it visually until you find the right one. Now, hover your mouse over that base's card. You'll see a small three-dot menu icon appear in the top right corner of the card. Click that three-dot menu and a drop-down list of options will open. From that list, select Delete. At this point, Airtable will show you a warning message. This is important. Read it carefully. It's telling you that deleting a base permanently removes all of its tables, views, records, and any configurations you've set up. There's no undo for this action unless you catch it quickly, so don't skip this step. If you're absolutely sure, click Delete to confirm. Airtable will then process the request, and you'll see the base disappear from your workspace within a few seconds. It's a good idea to verify that the base no longer appears in your workspace. Just glance around to make sure it's gone from the list. If you accidentally deleted the wrong base, don't panic. Airtable does keep a workspace trash folder where deleted bases can sometimes be restored. Check that trash as soon as possible, because items in the trash are only kept temporarily before they're permanently purged. Before you delete any base, I strongly recommend exporting or backing up any important data you might need later. You can export a base as a CSV or use Airtable's built-in backup options. That way, even if you change your mind, your information is safe. Deleting a base is a clean, one-way process, so a little preparation goes a long way. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to delete Airtable bases confidently and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.